Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested charms pick a card reading. Yes, friends, how your love life will be in the year 2021. So, yes, this is a very detailed reading. So, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, angels, and if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is a very detailed reading, friends. We will look into how your love life will be in the year 2021, what will happen, and today's choices are also four. So you can have more choices and more options. You can choose two or more decks or piles, and also, friends. You can watch the entire reading if you felt like that. And also, friends, if you make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and shares, because if you subscribe you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of the month. So one random person subscriber will be selected to win a free reading. So make sure to subscribe, like and share. And let's take a deep breath, relax, and take a deep breath and choose option number one, this beautiful heart card. Option number two, the infinity symbol. Option number three, the flamingos, the birds. This is very beautiful. Option number four, this beautiful bow star card, the bow star. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip to the number that you have chosen. Also, friends, you can choose you can watch the entire video. That's okay too, perfectly fine. So let's see. Friends, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful heart card, let us see how this year 2021 will be for you, your love life, your love life, your relationships, whether you're single, coupled, or whatever your situation is. This is a charms reading, friends, so make sure to wait for the charms also. So let us see, for those who chose option number 1, how this year will be for you, the year 2021. These are your tarot cards, these are your oracle messages, this is your advice. I'm gonna keep it here for now. So let's see your cards. So year 2021, it's a major year. It's a number 5 year of changes, year of destined awakenings for all of us and for humanity and for earth. So let us see. Wow, 7 of swords. Friends, you are starting this, there you have faced a lot of cheating, friends. You have faced a lot of burdens, a lot of cheating, maybe third party situations, lies. You have faced a lot in your love life up till now, and you may be a little upset or confused, or even feeling blocked about your love life, like you are not ready, or you are feeling burdened about your love life, like you can't trust people. I do see in 2021 you will have some trust issues, and you will face some difficulties in trusting people, because people have let you down badly, in the past years. So you might feel some trust issues. And the Five of Pentacles, yeah. People have really rejected and hurted you, or someone has caused you a lot of pain, friends. It could be a marriage, it could be a lover, a twin flame, an ex husband, wife. It could be someone you like, they hurted you. It could also be, I feel pile number 1, you're very giving. You're very giving. You are like the mothers or the papas, papa bear, mama bears, You're very giving in love and relationships. So you have been actually hurted, People just hurted you and used your kindness. It's sad. I feel you start the year feeling like you need some support in your love life, and I also feel that in this year 2021 you will take some time to trust people. Yes, you will take some time. It won't be easy for you to trust people because you had been through a lot of cheating, deceit, and all those things. I do see there is a past lover that is still thinking about you, maybe a twin flame, a past lover, husband, wife, ex husband, wife. There is someone who is thinking about you. Look at that, the devil. Yeah, someone is obsessed about you. I do feel if you are single, this is a very, very passionate connection coming for you this year in 2021. But if you are already, you had been in some relationship in the past, that person is not over you. They constantly think about you. You had been in toxic connections, friends. There are two things I'm feeling here. Some of you had been in toxic connections and you just want to move out of it in the year, or you just don't want that person to come back. Someone has been very, very toxic, like they keep taking and taking and taking from you without giving you anything, and you being your kind person, you just couldn't say no, right? But I also feel like this person will come back, friends. This person from your past, they will be active or they will be in your mind or in your life in the year 2021. Why? Because they just can't get over you. If they hurted you, they are sorry. They want to fix it. I also feel because of this pentagram, this is a spiritual connection. There is some lesson for both of you to learn still in the year 2021. So if you are like, oh my god, this person, this toxic ex is coming, yeah, I do see them a little bit affecting your year ahead also in 2021. So let us see. If you are single, this is a very, very, very passionate, almost a very temptatious connection coming towards you, very lusty connection. So you're gonna feel like, whoa. But there will be trust issues because they are so passionate. You will have some tough time to trust this person. Knight of Pentacles. I do see that in 2021, your love life will be a little slow but steady. All your relationships will be slow but steady. There is passion, there is emotion, but there is no like quick developments. It is a steady year for you in love, in relationships. A Capricorn Virgo Taurus person is important. You both might be Capricorn Virgo Taurus. I also see an Aries Leo Sag person is important, and an Aquarius Libra Gemini person. I feel maybe this person was toxic to you, someone younger or someone very selfish. There was a person who was not telling you how they feel, except they were just showing their passion. So they will come back in the year 2021. Yes, they will come back. Initially, there is something to resolve or learn still in from this connection for you or for them. I do feel this person needs to say, give you an apology. They need to give you an apology and fix things. I also feel this person hasn't forgotten you. They are obsessed about you. They may be running away from your love or just being a toxic person to you, like just taking and taking, but they will come back. We'll see with the charms also. Ace of Rods, who a passionate new connection, a passionate new start is coming, friends, in your love life. So, congratulations, that's a relief. I do see something passionate or some positive things or shifts will happen in your love life. Pile number one. I do feel for it's like mixed energy for some of you. It is in this connection with this toxic person. Some new insights, some new shifts will happen. Some things, healing will happen and a new start will happen in this connection. But for others of you, this person will be active for the first half of the year, and then something will shift for you and your love life. And I see someone new might come into your life. So there will be two people in your love life. Pile number one. Wow, Two of Cups. This is your year of love, friends. Look at that. This is beautiful. Yes, friends, destined love is coming your way. A healing, loving, and healing connection or healing partnership is coming your way. And it is going to make you feel happy because you had been through a lot. You had been through a lot, and this burden, this burden you are carrying, this trust issues, all those will resolve because this beautiful friendship, a balanced partnership is coming. It will come slowly in your year or in your life in this year 2021, but it is a beautiful connection. And you might have to deal with some toxic people or toxic exes, but this new person, this new connection, or this healing will happen in this relationship or in your love life. Lovers, oh my god, this is a stimulating year. I think we should do that reading. Uh, who has the who is lusting after you in 2021, because some people, there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of physical intimacy, there is a lot of attraction, a lot of people are attracted towards you, and you are also like, I feel like, pile number one, you are going to find a new sense of freedom in your love life, especially if you are a woman. Maybe you were never free, or maybe this person has burdened you so much that you have forgotten that love and relationships are also a part of enjoying life. So, this person or this healing in your love life will make you feel happy, relaxed, and carefree, and you'll be like, Yay! I feel, that. You'll feel like a gypsy, relaxed, happy. You know how gypsies are? They don't care, they don't have any burdens, they live freely, they move from places to places, they live in the moment. So, beautiful connection, beautiful passions. There's a lot of passion actually in this year for you, and a lot of emotions. And Ace of Cups, oh my god. So, yeah, definitely not just a passionate but an emotional new start is coming for you in 2021. So, your year is divided into two parts. One is this past person, or this healing from this past toxicity that happened in your life and healing that relationship, and the second half is about finding this beautiful love, this deep emotional connection, maybe with this person or with a new person. So yes, choices will be there in your love life. Nine of Wands. I think some of you are wanting to give up on your love life, like, yeah, we won't find this person, this love. I feel like you kind of giving up, or you're a little defensive about love when you start this year. But I feel, don't worry, your love, just stay in the moment and focus on the present, because love is coming your way, and let go of the past worries, guilt, pain. I know it is tough, but something beautiful is coming your way. Some healing will happen in your love life, so say yes to that. And the Page of Cups, look, romance is coming your way with from someone younger, or someone who lives away from you. They are quite emotional, they are very loving, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, and they are very giving. They are a giver like you, and look at that, they are looking at you like, oh my god, you are the prize, you are the catch. So they want to love and shower you with love. So it is a beautiful connection that's coming your way, but you will have to deal with this past issue first. I do see that for some of you, this past relationship will heal, friends. This toxic ex will heal, and it can become, this person does, or this relationship does, has the potential to be your future lover, to offer you this amazing emotional connection. Yes, there is a chance for 10-20% of you, this person will change and become this beautiful man or woman of your dreams, yes. But for others of you, you will deal with this, heal this, and then move into a new connection. Choices in love in 2021, yes. Whew, that's interesting. What else? I feel the month of February and May and June, July will be very important for you. So, February, June, July are important. And next year, 2021. So, let's see what else are your messages. I also feel this will be a very emotional year for you. Like, the first half is very emotional, the second is very passionate, and you feel very excited and happy. So, it is a mixed kind of a year. You have everything on it, it's like a mixed. It's like a buffet, you get everything, sweets, spice, passion, hot chilies. There is everything in your ear, so quite interesting. Rest and rejuvenate, number 4. Yeah, friends, things, this is like things will start slowly in your year. Things will be slow this year. It will take some time for this year to start your love life to, get back on track. So, I also feel like somewhere you are a bit tired. so you should take some rest. So, your love life will be a little relaxed, and you should take your time making any decisions this year, especially in love, because things are aligned in your favor. You can't make a wrong choice. Anything you choose is the right choice for you. So just enjoy life and relax. Don't put too much burden or pressure or trust issues on yourself. You are doing the best, friends. And look at that. Love begins. Ace of Cups. Again, the Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups. Twice, friends. Wow. This is like, you're also going to find a lot of self love this year. Like, finally you will feel like, okay, something has healed in my life and I'm feeling relaxed. You're feeling happy. You're feeling like, oh, I can relax and enjoy. Something major will heal in your life, some major blocks, and something beautiful is gonna happen then in your love life. I also feel you will feel a lot of self love this year, and or you will learn to love yourself and forgive yourself, and that will help you to heal this relationship or attract a more beautiful romance. So let's see your advice for this year, and then we're going to look at this charms for you. Time to move on. It is time to let go of the old and worn out so the new can come in. See, you're carrying a lot of burdens, friends. There is a lot of burden on your mind, on your shoulders. So much is, I don't know why, but there is so much pressure. The past has not been easy, but don't carry the past. It is like 2020 was enough, so let it remain in this year. Don't take it in 2021, right? It is tough. It's easy to say, but it's tough to do. But I do see the past is over. This trust issues, this burden, this toxicity, all this, why people rejecting you, all that is over now. Something beautiful is coming your way. So let's see what's your romance angel's message. Ooh, nice. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So, yes, friends, it is time to stay optimistic and positive. Stay positive and stay optimistic about your love life. Relax, enjoy, rest, rejuvenate. Do something for yourself, something nice, buy something, give yourself a treat, because you are doing great and you had been through a tough year, friends. And also, the next year will start slowly in your love, but it will catch up, friends. It will catch up and become sparkling for you, red hot and passionate for you. Let's see some charms for you. Okay, I might move the camera. Let's see some charms. Hi, number one. What's going to happen for them in 2021? Their love life. All right, lots of charms. Oops. Lots of charms came out. Let's see. So, wow, you have a truckload of charms. So grab a cup of coffee or something, friends, and let's see what's gonna happen. So there is, wow, PNLE. I don't know, this reminds me of pine. Maybe pine trees are important, like these Christmas trees, or someone lives in, those areas where hills or mountains are there. P and E and L are important. Let's see what else. The numbers are number 31. 31 is important for you. That's all those numbers, actually. So this is like, this red car is about passion, a lot of passion. This is a very red hot passionate year for you. Also, this pink hat is about emotions. So emotions and passions both will be high this year for you. Hello, I'm a bad idea. Yeah, there is a connection or a person whom you feel a lot of sexual chemistry. They will be coming back. They have hurted you in the past, or you feel like you can't trust them. But yeah, some healing will happen with that person also. Look at that, the lucky boot. I think, whatever decisions you take, or you are very lucky and protected in your love life. So don't worry. See, you also have the clover. Everything that is happening for you right now in your love life and will happen in the future in 2021, it is destiny, friends. It is destiny. And you are safe and protected. And look at that, the feminine energy. Wow. Someone is going to open their heart for you, friends. You know, someone who was very toxic, or maybe it is your twin flame, you know, someone is going to open or show their feminine side, their love, their emotion, their care. I think this person has a lot to say. You can see my throat. It is like they are just about to cry, or you are about to cry. So yeah, and also this is about staying positive, for feeling creative. Be creative. And look at that, the heart. Someone really likes you, friends. Someone, your heart is also healing. Owl. Listen to your intuition. Take time to rest and relax. Don't burden yourself for other people. Music is important. Maybe you are dealing with a musician or someone who is from the famous, celebrity, into media, actor, actor, doctors, musicians, rock stars, someone like that. The home. I do see someone will propose you for marriage, or you want commitment this year. You want stability in this, or stability is coming in your love life. I would say that. You're looking for stability, but stability is also coming your way. The queen, yeah, someone is going to show you how valuable you are, and you will also value yourself this year. Someone from another city or country is also important, UK, USA, all those places. Another owl is here. I think you are going to find a partner, or who is exactly similar to you. You have a telepathic connection, twin flame connection with this person, so get ready. Yeah, you had been through third party situations, but it is over now. It is healing, dragonfly, positive changes. Look at this bead. This is about intuition. Listen to your intuition. You will get signs this year, like who is the person and what you need to do. So listen to your intuition. You also have this marijuana, weed. So you can't forget a person. You just can't get them out of your head, and neither can this person get you out of their head. So there is something like addiction. Maybe your person is dealing with addictions, anxiety, or you are anxious about them, or your love life. Things will get better. And look, there are two coins. I have never seen two coins in my charms before. This is interesting. This is a this is a pence. These are UK coins. Actually, I think so. I'm not sure. There is a rose, divine rose on it. So definitely, friends, some connection is growing to grow bigger, or it is going to get better for you. Your love life is expanding. Look at this, the flower charm. You're very important, friends. You're very important. Take care of yourself. The peacock charm. So there is this peacock charm. So someone will try to get your attention, and they won't stop, and everybody's attention is on you. You are the most beautiful person this year. A lot of people want to know you. The heart charm, yeah, see, your heart will heal, friends. Your heart will heal, and this is like letting go. Let go of the past. And parrot, yeah, you are. Everyone is talking about you this year. Like, you are so beautiful. You are so amazing. You are so kind. A lot of people talking about you. And listen, look at that, Asia. For some of you, Asia is important, or your person is Asian, or you will meet them in Asia. X, yeah, someone from the past is also important. Saturn, yeah, there are some lessons to be learned still. I'm sorry to say, in 2021, you will still have to learn something from this relationship, or you are still healing from this relationship. But Ten of Cups, your ultimate happiness or the perfect partnership is coming your way. Eight of Coins, your hard work will pay, friends. Your hard work will be rewarded. Your patience will be rewarded. So don't give up. Let's see this. Wow, you are going to smile in 2021, friends. Make sure, this is a reassurance for you. Yes, you are going to smile. It won't always be so bad, like Not everyone hurts and lets you down, so relax and go your own way. This charm is recently coming a lot, so I definitely feel it is time to take your own decisions, focus on yourself, on self love. And what a beautiful year it is for you. So make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this infinite symbol, let us see how your love life will be in the year 2021. And it is such a beautiful card. The colors are so beautiful. There is blue, there is green. Blue is about the throat chakra, green is about healing. Beautiful card. This is a charms reading, friends. I will be pulling the charms also. These are your cards. This is your oracle message, and I will be pulling some romance angels messages also for you. Let's see. Oh no, yeah, here is your romance angels message. I just, it was fallen down. So I was thinking where it is. Here it is. So let's see, friends, what will happen in 2021 in your love life? I'm curious. Let's see. Nine of Swords. Wow, you start the year feeling very anxious, very upset, and restricted or blocked. Maybe right now also you are feeling that way, like, wow, what is happening? I feel like, somewhere you are feeling like in the year 2021, you will feel like relationships are a burden or they are a restriction. You have not met yet a partner who understands you or who understands your what you want, what you desire. So somewhere you are feeling very restricted. You may also feel like relationships are not good, they are a foundation. You may be, or they cause you anxiety, they cause you depression, because love starts good but goes sour, and then you are upset, you are sad, you are depressed. Somewhere you are not, when you start the year, you are like, nah, love, nah, why should I be in love? It only causes hurt. Why? There are some blocks when you start this year. You're feeling restricted, like you want to change, you want freedom, you want space, you want independence. Somewhere you are also very anxious and, anxious about your love life. Look at that, Temperance. I do see, friends. You are healing, something is shifting in your love life. In fact, I see something is shifting within you in the year 2021. There are blocks, there are limitations, maybe in your mind or in your belief, belief system, like I won't find this lover, or love just hurts, or you are very, I think you're becoming very independent, pile number 2. So you feel like nobody understands you. You are quite unique, because look at this. You're very unique. You have not found your match. Someone who understands you, or someone who respects you, or someone who can accept that what a beautiful person you are. So, balance is gonna come in your love life. And I also feel in 2021, you need to keep your balance, friends. How much freedom you want, how much, I don't know why you want to be alone in some way. Like you just don't, you're like, I don't want love. It hurts me. So you're like, no, I don't want it. People restrict me. I don't want it. I want change. So you might have to balance this desire of freedom a little bit, because it is like, it is becoming a block in your love life in 2021. So you have to, or there may be health issues, like you have some health issues, anxiety, depression, or maybe you have issues about your looks or weight or something, body, issues. So you're gonna take it easy, take a chill pill. Don't worry so much and relax. I see you're very independent, pile number 1. Oh, pile number 2. And not only you're independent, you're also very unique. So you don't know, where is this person? So stay balanced, stay calm. Star, look at this. This is a destined partnership coming towards you. You are manifesting, friends. Something destiny is bringing for you, and you are going to manifest this connection. And I also see you're very focused on your work, on your career, and on your spiritual gifts or your creative ideas. So you are like, I'm happy alone. What is the need of love? You will have to balance this desire, friends. Your need to stay alone may be so high that even if a destined relationship is coming, you may not notice it. You have to be careful. Also, I feel you are, most of you, number two, are working on manifesting a relationship or a twin flame, someone, who is unique and who understands you. Yes, it is going to happen. Your wishes are going to come true. I also feel, pile number two, some of you are going to attract a person who is very high vibrational, or they are a star seed, from some other planet, or they are a spirit, they are into tarot, Reiki, yoga, they are different, or they are an artist. They are a different soul, just like you are. So it will connect with you, it will connect with you, but again your desire of freedom and independence is too much, so you need to balance it. Look, this is the highlight of your whole year: balance. The world, yeah, you are coming out of very very strong challenges. I do feel you felt 2020 restricted you. I think you want to travel, you want to change, relocate. Yes, all those things will happen for you in 2021. Or maybe your belief systems will change about love, and that is going to bring you a perfect, a very creative, a very fulfilling relationship. And I do feel this person is not from your country or from your city. They may be from another part of the world. And I do feel they will meet you once you have healed or balanced your idea of freedom, or how love is bad, all those things. When you have balanced it, then they are going to come into your life. And I also see you might relocate, or they might relocate into your city. The tower, yeah, something sudden is going to happen in 2021. Like you may suddenly meet this person, or someone may come out of the blue into your life. You are not expecting it. I do feel like you may, I feel like this is destined for you. You are destined to meet this person, but your desire of independence is so high, friends, that it is like you just don't want to be with anybody. So you will have to control your anger, you may become angry this year, friends. I don't know why, but I feel like you may become angry on this person, or anyone who is trying to tell you that, if someone comes and tells you like you can't marry this person because they are of different culture, religion, or maybe you are in same sex relationship, and someone tells you, hey, you can't be there, you can't do this, you're gonna show them who you are. So this is powerful, friends. This is a powerful year for your love life, and things will happen suddenly, quickly, out of the blue. So get ready. You are already being guided. Your intuition will tell you when these things will happen: this new relationship, this creative person, this spiritual connection, this star soul coming towards you. You will know it. The Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, this person is highly sensitive. This person is someone, they could be an empath, a psychic medium. They could be a very exceptional artist, musician, or maybe, whatever they do. Maybe they are a healer or doctor. You are attracting those people who are different, who are sensitive, who are kind, and you're gonna meet them out of the blue. Maybe on a bad day, or maybe when you have a bout of anxiety. I'm sorry to say that, anxiety, depression, or something, you are going through some health issues. That is, or you may, you go to them for healing, and that is how you meet. I also feel that you both are very independent. You both like your own freedom. So, somewhere you will have to balance this thing, friends. New people and new romance is coming in 2021, but you will have to balance your idea of freedom and how much you want to be alone. You enjoy it, you like it, you are focused on your work, your career, your future. You want fame, it is coming for you, but love is coming out of the blue. I think you start the year without focusing on love. You're like, I'm done with love, but crashing into your life will come love, and they will be maybe someone from the same sex for you, or maybe someone younger than you. They are coming, they're going to offer you love, and you'll be like, what? Queen of Rods. See, you're very focused on what you want, very focused. If you, whatever you want, you're going to achieve it this year. And I do see you want success in your life rather than in love. You want success, you want this fame, you want to super achieve. You are this Wonder Woman, Wonder Man, Superman. But love is coming crashing, friends. Love is coming your way, And you might you might have to balance your independence, friends. Your power is too much this year in 2021. Maybe you are born on number 1, number 8, or something like that. Your power is very high, friends. So you will be very independent, very strong. You are a leader in your love life, so you will have to balance it. Otherwise you will push away love. I don't know why. Someone will try to win you, but you are like, I don't like this person. I don't like them. You are like this. I don't want love. Why are you wasting my time? And they are like, no, I want to be with you. So be careful, friends. Be careful. Nine of Pentacles. See, you are focused on self love, self value. Only people who understand you or who are ready to give to you and understand that you are busy, you have a busy work routine. I see, especially most of you might be women, those who chose pile number 2. Even if you are a man, you are like, see, I have my goals, I have my year planned. So don't distract me. If you are coming to distract me from my life, bye bye. You will have to balance it, friends. You are so self focused that love will be like, oh, when this love comes, you'll be like, what? This is my tower moment. Why are you coming in my life when I don't want love? Love comes. Maybe this will come as a marriage proposal, and you are like, what? But this is destined, friends. It is destined for you in this year 2021. And I also feel that you will attract more better partnerships or even marriage or commitment when you love yourself and make yourself important. Just don't isolate yourself. I feel you're so focused on yourself and your goals and your career and your education. And you're so happy also that you are like, huh, I don't need love. I can be alone. So don't do that. You might be attracting an Aries, Leo, Sag person this year, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or an Aquarius or Libra person. So, yeah, quite interesting. 8 of Wands. So, yeah, once this person comes and once you let go of your resistance to love, communications will be open. There will be a lot of creativity. You will create something or work together on some projects. It is an enticing and very creatively productive relationship. You're gonna like it, you're gonna enjoy it. Maybe you both are dancers, or you both are similar, and this person is you're attracting is quite sensitive. So you will have to be careful in your words. Look at that, 10 of Swords. Yeah. Whew. I do feel, friends, you will constantly remind this person, see, don't hurt me. See, don't hurt me. See, don't hurt me. You're like, you will keep on saying like this, don't hurt me. I don't want hurt. Someone will be like, hey, I like you. Let's be in a relationship. And you are like, nah, I don't want to be hurt. I had been there. This is a very interesting reading actually for a year, and this is for a year, but you will also recover from some past endings, friends. You are going to recover. So if you are worried about that, you will heal or not, yes, you will heal. And love will come crashing into your life. It is a very sensitive, it is a very special person, someone who is destined, and you have a destiny, or this person and you are meant to be in 2021. You have to create some project, some creative project, some goals. You have something to work on together, and you will have to balance your need of independence, of freedom, of power. You will have to balance it. Let's see your extra cards. I do see you might say, like, I don't even need love in 2021. So be careful, friends. I see you by saying bye bye to love. So, discontent and boredom. Number 4. Yeah, you may feel bored in love, or you may be like, nah, what do I do with love? Love isn't fun. It doesn't excite me. But I think, you will get excited when you find someone who has similar taste like yours, or who has a similar, who is very unique. Someone very unique is coming. So, I think you are also very unique, friends. You are very unique. So, someone who is very similar to you, look at that. Someone similar to you is coming. They are also unique. They are highly sensitive. They might be, it might be a same sex relationship for some of you. It might also be a creative person, someone very gifted. It is a very, this person is meant to be, you both have a reason together. They are They are coming for a reason, higher purpose in your life. Hope. Number 17. You also have the number 17, the star card. Look at this. Number 17, again, the star card. Wow, friends, you are going to find a love that you have not even dreamt of. So stay hopeful, don't give up. You're very close on finding the right person or the perfect relationship of yours or the perfect partner. So don't give up on love and don't become too independent that you just say no to love. Let's see your advice. Rest. You have been working hard. Take a nap and get some rest. Yeah, you are focused on work, pile number two. You're like, I'm work obsessed. I don't know what to do. So you take some rest, relax, enjoy some life. Enjoy some this cuddling. I think this person who is coming is gonna take care of you. They will tell you, hey, grab a bite, you are working all day, you have been working, like you also tell me, uh, like you all tell me, you often remind me, our viewers, our family here, like, take some rest. You're working too much, so I think you're going to find someone who tells you and cuddles you, and they're like, hey, here's some tea, take care of yourself, take my jacket, it is cold. So it is sweet. That's very sweet. And remember to relax and chill in life. You're doing extremely well. Let's see your romance angels. Then we're gonna look at your charms. You deserve love. You're lovable. See, you are very, angels are pushing you into a direction. The universe is pushing you so that you can find the most amazing and creative partnership. It is coming your way, friends. It is coming. Don't give up on love. You are amazing person, you are unique, and someone very unique and sensitive and caring is coming your way, so don't lose hope. Let's see your charms. Pile number two, what's going to happen for pile number two? All right, that's a bit less. Let's see. All right, now we have a lot of charms. So let's see. So there is the letter K, there is R, oh, there is S, there is C, wow, there is S. You have a lot of letters. There is A, there is E. Wow, can you make a race? Yeah, you are racing towards success, friends, and love may be like, nah, I don't want love. You are racing to success. But love is coming, friends, and love is coming crashing into your life, whether you want it or not. So, yeah, and this is also like kick ass. Kiss is also the word I can see here. Someone is gonna kiss you and take care of you, so get ready. And RACEKSS. And this is your bead of intuition. I would say that you should follow, take some time to relax, when to work. You should be focused about that in this year 2021 plate. It is your time to receive love, friends. Don't say no to it. Love is coming your way. You deserve it. Don't forget to save. I do see, friends, that someone is coming and they may connect with you on social media or through your work. So, yeah, don't forget to save them and take. Maybe they will call you and you might forget their number. Like you didn't save their number, you were not ready for love, but 1 month later you are like, I miss that person. Where are they? So, save that number, save their ID. Number 10 is important, number 17 is important, and 17 we had twice, star card, twice. Number 18 is also important. You have the green, healing is happening, friends, healing in your heart. You have the moon bead. So yeah, a lot of creative energies are there in this year. Passion, a very creatively stimulating relationship is coming. You also have the green home. So you're very focused about your future, money, goals, but love is there. This bead is about, golden bead is about, money. Maybe this person will meet you through work, through money, your finances. Strawberry. This is a very juicy partnership that's coming your way. Something very juicy, something you never expect. Strawberries are always, whenever you pick a strawberry, you never know how they're gonna taste. It's like a sweet surprise. Often they are used as a symbol of first date, or, surprising people, they are a gift of love. So, yeah, a sweet surprise, a gift of love is coming. And look at that, the key. Someone holds the key to your heart. Wow, that's beautiful. And yeah, you're very passionate. A very passionate connection is coming. The lion is here. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sag. The diary, look at that. Secret love. Someone has a crush on you, friends. Look at that. The secret diary. Yes, they are writing about you. And they might be a singer, song maker. They are writing songs about you. Look at that. The attachment. Super, super perfect. I think this is also destiny, things lining up so that you can meet this person. Another attachment. Look at that. The paperclip. The paperclip is also like you are very focused on work, but love is coming. Wheel of Fortune. Again, very lucky relationship. What is this? The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Look at that. This is so sweet. Don't you love these? I love these. The darkest night produced the brightest star. I do feel a very fated partnership of friendship, a soul connection is coming your way. And you are like both stars. You are gonna light up this world or create something nice style. Yeah, this person will be very stylish, the one who is coming. And I think this person who is coming will restore your faith in love. Prince of Air, they could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Mother, yeah, you might be having some mother issues. That is why you are denying love. Like, no, I don't want love. I don't need love. Six of Wands, you will be able to rise out of your mother issues. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. You also have the Queen of Wands. So a pair is coming, a perfect partner, a perfect match for you. Luck, yeah, this is a very lucky relationship. What else? Four of you. Yeah, things will start slowly. You will take your time in this connection. You're not gonna rush. You will be like, yeah. You will start the year slow also in love. April. From April, I feel your love life will catch up. Or this person is like, boom, I'm here. Now what? Six of Coins. Yeah, from April, life will be successful. And your love life will catch up. King of Coins. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Person is important. Again, the star card. What's going on, friends? Look at that. The star, the star, the star charm. You have two star cards from two different decks, and then you have the star charm. Do I need to say more? This is fated, friends. Yes, you should save this reading and come back and listen to it. I also feel like some of you, I don't know if you stay long in this relationship or not, but this is something you will learn and enjoy and create. Maybe this is someone you work with, or it could be someone from it could also be a friendship for some of you. Like, this is like your best friend, and you create and enjoy a lot, with create a lot of memories. Or like, this is you're in musician, you find your bandmate. Seer, this is someone very spiritual. Someone very spiritual is coming. October, April and October are important for you, friends. So that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, let us see how this year your love life will be. This is a charms reading. So for those who chose this beautiful love flamingos, how cute they are. Let us see how your 2021 year will be, your love life. These are your tarot cards. These are your extra oracle messages. This is your advice for the year. This is your romance angels messages. We'll also be pulling the charms. Yeah, so grab your coffee and let's jump into this reading. Wow, you start the year feeling very secure, or your focus is clear what you want this year. It is commitment, it is love, it is marriage, it is stability, it is security, it is commitment that you want or you are focusing on. Ace of Pentacles. You want a new start. You want something that is solid in your love life. You want something that is that is pure. You want something that is someone that is committed to you. You don't want any flings, you don't want any hanky panky. You want something straight, which is solid and which is stable. So that's, you're very sure about it, that's what you want. Nine of Cups. I feel this is a very good year for you. You're gonna feel very happy. Your wishes will be coming true. I also see that some of you, maybe there is a chance of marriage this year, or you are getting engaged, or you are meeting people who share this same desire of marriage, of commitment, or you both share the same goals. So you are very happy about that. That you are meeting the right people now. So you will find something will happen that will make you happy this year. Two of Swords, yeah. Some decisions will be coming in this year for you. You will have to choose, like, there are some confusions, like you're focused, that you want marriage, you want commitment, and there might be people or lover who is ready to give you commitment or marriage, but you are like, should I accept it or not? So there is some confusion in your mind. I also feel, if you're, some of you will be confused this year to, go for marriage, or to just, stay in casual relationships. Some of you are wanting marriage but finding casual love. So there is this confusion. Some of you, there is this thing, like, should you commit, should you not, should you go for casual things, or should you not? So there are confusions in your mind. I also feel that someone is missing you, a soulmate connection is there. So yes, someone is missing you, thinking about you. You also will think about them in the 2021 year. You haven't forgotten them. You also sometimes will feel, was it a fling this person had with you, this past lover, this ex husband, wife, this soulmate, crush, twin flame, whatever this person is. So there is, you want commitment, but sometimes you will be a little confused. Should you talk with them just for fun? Once again, it makes you happy. So should you do that? There are some confusions in your mind this year, and decisions. And look at that, Five of Cups. You are not out over, you are not over with this person, and neither are they. They are missing you, you are missing them. This is someone from your past, no contact situation, or someone uh, who is like, someone who is distant from you, and they're living in some other city, country, and they might be, in no contact, and things are at a pause in this connection, but I feel they are missing you. They are missing you, and the issue is like, they want to come back, but you want commitment, so they are a little confused. Should they come back or should they not? Ten of Cups of happiness. I do feel this person will be coming or making a move towards commitment with you, or you will, talk or discuss marriage or commitment with this person, your past lover, someone from your past. You will, talk about, commitment is big on your mind. You want commitment, you want family. That's what you want, or you want a stable, secure connection with this anyone, this person or new lover. I feel this is someone from the past coming back in 2021 for you, and you will try to make this relationship work. Oops, King of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sag person. I feel this is your twin flame. Yeah. This is your twin flame. They don't want to give up on you. They are missing you in 2021. They will come back. They will try to fix this connection. They will try, you will have some very happy moments and some very romantic moments with this person. It's going to be fun. But, you will still have to deal with, maybe they are not ready to commit, or, their family is not ready. So some work needs to be done, and there will be some choices, some confusions. Three of Wands, expansion. Yes, this relationship will expand. This person from your past will expand. Or maybe this is the current person you have, the person that is you go on and off with. This will expand. This person and your connection will expand. The Six of Swords, yeah. I do see there is a chance of you and them will meet, and this past issues will resolve. I do see family and religion, culture, distance has become a problem in this connection, but all those things will slowly heal. in 2021. You will heal those. You will both work to heal it, all these issues which are creating a distance between you and them. The Seven of Cups in reverse. But again, there is a choice, you know. I feel like this person, you will feel a little confused again in 2021. Like why this person doesn't commit to you, why they don't marry. You are ready, you are sure you want commitment, but maybe they are not sure, or maybe their family, their religion, or their work is not allowing them to get married. So if they don't make a choice, I don't know what will happen, because you might then, this person needs to make a choice towards committing towards you, and they will think about it. The Hermit, look at that. I do see someone from the past coming back towards you: Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. But you will try to work things out. You will enjoy a lot with them. Life will be good. And you will meet with them also, travel with them, and face to face talks will happen. It could also be someone you really feel very, it could be a new person that you really like, but they are but you will feel this confusion that why this person is not committing to you. You want commitment, and whether it is a new person or a past lover, they will take some time to commit to you, marriage or anything else. So I don't know, you will then like separate from them, or you will take some time away from them. Like, I don't know, you want commitment. If they are not offering you, you will not be able to trust them. So then you will have to decide what to do then. So yeah, it's a confusing situation in your love life in 2021. You want commitment, you want marriage, you want stability, you want security. Yes, this is a soulmate connection that is coming your way. It has a lot of potential. Things will be great, but if this you will talk about marriage, settling in, moving in, but if they don't give you an answer, you might move away from them, and then you will feel like this person is cheating or they are not being honest with you. So you will have to deal with some fears in your love life this year. And you want commitment, that's very clear. And if someone is not willing to offer you that stability, security, or if someone is playing mind games, or if someone is being casual, you're gonna not like it. You're very serious about your love life. You're very serious. Let's see what else. Again, there is this 6-6 energy. So, this is a spiritual connection for some of you. This is a soulmate, but there will be, you will both have to work on this connection. This could be a twin flame connection. You will have to work. You both have to work, and they have to commit to you. New beginnings, number 0. Yeah, some of you, you might reject this person in the mid of the year and choose someone else, or you might go for marriage or arrange marriage, or you might focus on work, because you want you want stability, you want commitment. If someone is not offering you, you will choose something else or someone else. So you are on a very major major year. 2021 is very important year. You are standing at a new dawn, a new change, a new shift in your love life. Look at that, memories of love, 6 of cups. You love this person, they also love you, but they need to commit to you, marriage, or give you a stable partnership. If not, you are like gone. Universe, number 21, the world was you know I do feel that this person is from another culture's religion or city or country. They are away from you. I also feel that you will, you feel like this person is your world, and they are your world. You both are soulmates, you both love each other. So there is a chance of a new start happening in this connection, and commitment coming in this connection, or stability coming in this connection. But some confusion, some issues and trust issues will happen. If you both resolve it, good, you will get married this year, 2021. You see, it is 2021. This is also the year, right? But if not, you may say, like, yeah, I will miss you, but you know, I'll find someone like you. You know that song by Adele? I'll find someone like you. So that is how you are. You're very sure of what you want. Let us see some advice for you. What is the advice? Self forgiveness, let go of old guilt, and remember that you are God's perfect child. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. You need to forgive yourself. You have done your best, and you might be very hard. Like, you might feel like this person is not committing because of you, or maybe their family is not saying yes because of you, or they are not choosing you, or they are not. It's not about you. It is about their own choices. It's not about you. Why they are not, any person who is not choosing you is not about you. It's about them. They have issues, or they have some restrictions, or blocks, or challenges, or fears. You are perfect. You are perfect. Love yourself. I also feel that some of you may, just leave this past behind and just start a new marriage. You might just be very clear, like you want marriage, and you might go and, you might find a suitable person. You will miss the past soulmate, but you will choose someone new. So your thoughts are clear. You will be starting the year on confusion, but mid of the year you'll be clear on what you want. Let's see your romance angels. Engagement. Look at that. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. You want marriage, you want commitment, you want stability, and it is coming your way, friends. It is coming your way from this person, or from a new person. It is coming. It is in your destiny. So let's see your charms now. Pile number 3. Year 2021 for pile number 3. Let's see. Wow, that's beautiful. Lots of things. So let's see. You have a lot of alphabets, so maybe you're meeting 2 or 3 people this year. Or maybe they have a long name. C, you have the letter C here. There is M, there is L, there is A, there is calm. See, this is the word calm, CALM. Calm, stay patient. Yeah. And there is K, there is S. So KSS, K double S double ECALM. That is your initials or alphabets which are important for this year. And pineapple, yeah, a reconciliation will happen, a reunion will happen with a person, but if they don't commit marriage to you, you might say bye bye to that person. Marriage is important. Number 37, some of you might be 37, or this person is years old. 37, 23, yeah, that is also 23, could be a date or birth date or age. Red is about, you believing in yourself. Don't know, believe in yourself, forgive yourself, love yourself, be kind to yourself. Red car is about that. Aeroplane, yeah, this person is away from you. They will meet you, or this person is from some another city or country, or someone who is from another city or country is coming. I also feel you might get married with someone who is from another city or country. So, yeah, growth. This is expansion in your love life. Yes, your love life will expand. Don't worry. I'm a stupid baby. Yeah, someone from the past is coming. They miss you. They know they are stupid. Apple. You are the apple of someone's eye this year. This is the bead of intuition, the purple bead. So listen to your intuition, friends, and don't be so tough on yourself. The heart. Take care of your heart. And also, you might be attracting a doctor, a healer, or some healing is going to happen in a relationship. You also have the heartbeat. So you definitely are missing someone, and they are also missing you, and they're gonna come back in 2021, and you will try to fix this connection. Born to shine. Look at that. It's so beautiful, isn't it? So yes, friends, this, you're shining bright this year. This connection is shining for you. Love is near you. Let's see what else. UK, yeah, someone from UK or USA, UK is important. Money, yeah, your focus is on money, career, stability, security, emotional security, stability, structures. Four of here, keep your patience, don't lose patience. Monkey, yeah, someone was very stupid in the past. Cat, be playful, enjoy your life, friends. Don't be too serious this year. Past life, yeah, you have a past life connection with this person. Five of coins, yeah, they have hurted you in the past. Don't worry, things will fix. In December, something may have happened, or December 2021 is important. You might get married in December. Look, Saturn is here. So, marriage might happen in December, or someone got married in December. Your lover, your ex, they got married in December, or you might get married in this coming 2021 December because you want marriage. Prince of Coins. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you, friends. What is this? Two of Cups? Ooh, yeah, soulmate partnership is coming. Be ready. And let us see, Four of Coins. So, four of here, Four of Coins. I do feel, friends, you will, this person will also take some time. So you both are patient this year. Ten of Coins. Ultimate, you will meet someone you can take to your family, or you will meet someone through your family or friends. So, this is like a family kind of a connection, and that is what you want: stability, security. And this is someone you already know probably, or you know them as a friend right now. So good things are coming your way in 2021. Make sure to subscribe Magic Men's Tarot, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye. Friends, if you choose option number 4, let us see how your love life will be in the year 2021. This beautiful star card, and this is a charms reading, so I'll be pulling out your charms also at the end of this reading. And these are your oracle messages, and this is your extra. These are your tarot cards, extra oracle messages. This is there's something on the table, dust. This is your advice, and this is your love, romance angels messages. So let's take a look how your year 2021 will be in your love life. Wow, let's see. The High Priestess, oh my god, a very spiritual year for you. You are going to find a lot of spirituality or very telepathic connections. I also feel you are smiling this year. Look, something is happening which is making you smile. So I think something divine is going to happen, something destined is going to happen, and I think you already know about it, or you are manifesting it already. Like you are trying to manifest something, maybe a new relationship. You're trying to manifest something in your love life, and you will feel that it is going to happen in 2021. So you're very happy when it actually happens, and you're like, yay, I thought so, star, your wish is coming true. You want something, it's gonna happen in 2021. So, yes, I also feel all your relationships are very spiritual this year, and very destined in some way. And I also feel that, your relationships are very strong and very telepathic in some way this year. Look at that chariot. Yeah, your love life will be moving very quickly. There will be a lot of movement, or you'll be traveling a lot this year, or maybe your thoughts are traveling a lot or changing very quickly this year. Like you feel a lot of emotions this year. Whether you are single or you are in a partnership, things will be quick, things will be developing very quickly, very fast. Your emotions will be quick. You are thinking a lot. So it's a good year for you. Two of Wands, maturity. Yeah, you are finding maturity in your love life. You are attracting mature people, or people who are stable, who are secure, and whom you can trust. You are attracting people whom you can trust in the year 2021. Look at that, 10 of Pentacles. Wow. I don't know why I feel like there are a lot of people coming towards you, because I see your emotions are changing quickly. So you will attract a lot of partners this year in 2021. And one person you may already know, or you are expecting someone to come, or you might have a dream like there is someone coming. You might have a dream of a person coming on a horse, or you might see some horses or some unicorns in your dreams, and it is a sign that a new lover or a destined partnership is coming for you in 2021, and that is a stable person. And I do see marriage is important for you. There will be like, I have two feelings here. You're gonna keep your relationships a little secret this year, away from your family and friends, and maybe people who are very nosy. You'll keep your relationships away from them, because you know what people are thinking. You want to protect your relationships. I also feel there is a person who is married and who is interested in you, or maybe you are married but there is still some sort of a connection coming your way, or this person and you both knew each other before their marriage, so someone married is also keeping an eye on you. Eight of Pentacles. So someone want to work, you'll be working on your relationships this year, and someone will be putting the effort in love for you. And I also feel Three of Pentacles. I do see, friends, that this person, you might be dealing with a third party in the year 2021. If you are not dealing with it right now, it may happen in the future, friends. You have to keep it in mind. There might be third party, or someone is getting married, or they are already married, or but this is fated. You have an you will know, your intuition will guide you. You will know that this is going to happen. Maybe this person is already married, but they will come back to say sorry or fix this relationship. Or you are attracting a partner who is like separated from their lover. They may be once married, or they were coming out, or they are coming out of a relationship in the year 2021. There might be third parties affecting your love life in the year 2021. So you will have to work hard, and your person will have to work hard to make this relationship work. You will have to cooperate also. You will have to be very mature in your love life. Justice, karmic balance. If someone left you, karma will hit them. Yes, if also I feel you might be not sharing this connection. If you are dating someone who is already married, you will keep it quiet. Yeah, you will keep it secret, of course, because you don't want others to know. And also because even if this person is single, you will keep it away from family and friends. You will keep it a secret, or this person will, because they feel like people will judge them or judge this situation, this relationship. Maybe you are dealing with someone who is your boss, or who is your who is very elderly, or who is very younger than you. So will keep this connection a bit secret, because you don't want others to judge you or this person. I also feel the person who wronged you in the past, or who put you in a third party, they are coming back. They are coming back to fix this situation. Four of Wands, twin flame. The twin flame who left you, maybe your twin flame is with a karmic situation, or you both are married, but some sort of a balancing out will happen in this connection. Some sort of karma will be healed. Your person will work towards it. You will also work towards it. So something will heal, and marriage is important for you. Marriage, commitment, stability, security, all those things are important. Also, listen to your intuition, pile number 4. It's very important. Two of Pentacles. You might be juggling partners this year, friends. Yes, there will be two or more partnerships coming your way. You will be, juggling, or maybe your person, you are dealing with a third party. Again and again, it feels like a third party or two people at the same time. Like you have this lover and there is an arranged marriage proposal, or you have two people in your life this year in 2021. So you are like, what's happening? You're gonna be busy. Yeah, King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important to you this year, and they also love you a lot. So get ready. Someone is going to offer you romance. Queen of Pentacles, you are this fiery, this passionate person who is very focused. You know what you want, and a lot of people are coming towards you. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus also. I feel like there is a third party and some sort of a healing will happen. If someone left you, married you for someone else, they will come back and apologize. It is up to you to choose them or not. I also feel that you both might be married but still be dating each other because that's also there. And the King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you will have a choice of partners this year, friends. Yes, you will have to use your intuition which one to pick and not. You might also, if you are married, there might be a chance of a third party affecting your connection. So you have to use your intuition and stay patient and cooperate with your person and not just leave things and walk out. No, you will have to work and understand what's going on. And I also feel you will find choices in love this year. Like you will also feel, to choose emotions or a connection which is very emotions, emotional connection, or to choose someone that is very perfect, like for your security, for your finances, for your future. So you will have choices to choose love or to choose security. It is up to you. Also, a third party is there, friends. You have to be careful, use your intuition. If someone is new and they are doing everything right and perfect, but be careful about, there might be a third party. They might be hiding they are married. They might be hiding. They might be telling you they are going for work, but there is a third party, a past lover or an ex or a marriage which is they are hiding. You have to be careful, friends. I have to be honest here. I can't, I am seeing this, I have to tell you because it will happen and then you will say, like, what happened? So it will happen, friends. There are hidden things which will come to light in your love life. Use your intuition, be patient, and you will have to make quick choices this year. Deception and envy. Yeah, I feel there is a person who is married, but they still miss you, or you are looking at someone's marriage and you feel like why you are not married to them or why they didn't choose you. There is envy. There is like your twin flame is envious of you or you are envious of them. So there is envy, there is deception. You have to be careful. You have to be careful here. In this year, you will have to listen to your emotions. Things, it is not that anyone is doing something bad. No, it is just that things are a little hidden. You will have to dive into them to understand them. You will have to listen to your intuition. Also, you may feel very frustrated about a person's marriage. Maybe like an ex is married, so you might just go and pick someone and get married just to as a revenge. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oops. Triumph number 7. Again 7 is here. Look at that. This is also the chariot. Look at that. The chariot is here twice. Your love life is very quick. You want a quick changes. So you are very impulsive in your love life this year in 2021. So you might make some quick changes just for, because you want some impulsiveness. You want quick things. Be careful. Listen to your intuition before making any changes, before making any big decisions in your love life. And check the intentions of people around you. Heart chakra, focus on your heart. You have a very strong connection with the person. They can't forget you, you can't forget them. They may be your twin flame, they may be your soulmate, they may be a karmic person, they may be married, they may be, this is a different kind of a relationship. So this is heart based, but there is a lot of love here. Focus on the love, listen to your intuition, focus on love, be stable, be calm. Let's see. And I also feel this person is also from another city or another country, lives near sea, oceans, water, coastal city, coastal country. Oh my god, playtime. The dolphins know the importance of playing as joy creates miracles and manifestations. Yeah. I do feel you might be comparing your life in 2021 to other people. Like, hey, I'm single, they have a marriage, or I'm married, I'm married, but other people are happier. Or you are like, hey, that person got married, but I'm single. Don't do that, friends. Don't compare. In fact, instead, enjoy. Be happy that someone else got married or they are away. This is a blessing in disguise. Enjoy your life. There are blessings coming to you. There is a very strong, powerful heart connection coming towards you. You will have to listen to your intuition, and you will have to focus on enjoying your life and letting go of negative people in your life. I also see there are a lot of people giving you advice this year in your love life, in your marriage. Do that, do this, don't listen. Let's see your romance angel's message. Getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Yeah. See, new people are coming your way, friends. It will be tough for you to, understand these people or open your heart to them. But this is a good connection. This is a heart based connection for you. I also feel that your twin flame will try to reach out to you and they will try to explain why they did some decisions, why they left you, or why they choose someone else. Take time to listen to them if you feel like it. Some things will become clear. Some things will become clear, and be careful. There might be a third party. Be careful of envy. There might be people who are envying you, so be careful about that. And this is your wishes coming true here. So, yeah, let's see some charms for you. Pile number 4. Advice for option number 4. What can happen in your love life? Alright. Wow. I just noticed the number 3. Yeah, friends, there is a third party, or maybe two people are coming for you. Oh God. There are people who are, someone doesn't want to let you go because they feel jealous or because they just want to keep you to themselves. Number 3 is important. Maybe the March is important. SA, you have a lot of letters. C, yeah, I told you C is important, friends. Someone living at sea, oceans, coastal city, country. LA, someone could be from LA, Los Angeles. Then there is another L, then there is E. Seattle, I keep getting Seattle. Maybe someone is from Seattle, which is important. So SEAELAL, yellow. Stay positive, friends. You and surround yourself with positive people. Protect yourself from negativity, negative emotions, negative people. Leaf, this is like someone wants to offer you a a big branch of forgiveness. Please forgive me. Pineapple, reconciliation, someone from your past returning back. Hat, someone wants to offer you love. Protection, you may worry about your relationships this year, like who is watching over you, who is giving you an evil eye, or you might also feel jealous about other people or your person, your partners, husband and wife, like if you are married you will feel very possessive about your lover, so you will have to watch that. You are safe, you are protected, no one can come in between you, and things which are happening are, they have a purpose. Don't forget to save. Yeah, you will. I think don't forget to listen to your intuition. Your intuition will guide you this year. Teacup, a lot of conversations, a lot of meetings, and a lot of people are coming your way. The purse, yeah, this is also like marriage, someone marriage gift, someone getting married, someone offering you a gift of love or financial gift also, or you will select a person who is very secure for your future financially. This could also be a growth in a relationship, in a partnership. The boot, yeah, you, this is a very fast year for you. Your relationships will be quick, quick, quick. You could also be dealing with the person from sports or athletes, or you might meet a partner in a gym or while walking. This bead is about take care of who is listening and talking and sharing about your gossip. Take care of gossip. Again, there is this strawberries. So strawberries are like sweet surprise. Something sweet is going to happen. There is this 3 of on the dice also. There is leaf. Let go of the past. Let go of the past. 9 of air. You're worried about something, your fear, maybe you fear like you will not get married or someone else is married, so why they got married, why you are single. Let it go, friends. Cat, love yourself. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important. Eight of Air, someone is feeling restricted. Someone wants to offer you marriage, but they can't. Someone loves you, but they can't come towards you. Five of Wands, difference of opinion. Yeah. Friends, 2021, there will be arguments, there will be fights, there will be possessive energy. There will also be envy in your relationships and partnerships and marriage. You will have to be careful. You will fight with, otherwise you will can fight with your person. Third parties, Seven of Coins, be patient. What is this? August might be important for some of you. Father, yeah, maybe your father, someone's father is affecting your relationship, or they can help you in your love life this year. Or if you have father related issues this year, so in your, you can heal them to make your love life better. Three of Coins, we also have the Three of Coins here. Look at that, the card. So cooperate with people, friends. Cooperate with people. Sage, be wise, be patient. And someone very patient is coming. Cycles. Yeah, some issues are repeating again and again in your life this year. Tiger, you are very powerful, you are very passionate, you are very possessive. Four of Wands. We also have the Four of Wands here, right? Here it is, Four of Wands. Marriage. Maybe you are dealing with someone who is married, or you are married, you both are married. Patience. This is the mantra for you, friends. Patience. Be patient. And what is this? The Queen of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. Inspiration. Look at that. So cute. So, yes, friends, something will inspire you. Keep your hopes open and listen to your intuition. Something very destined and fated is happening in 2021 for you. So, make sure to subscribe Magic Ones Tarot, like, and share. This is Mystic C saying bye.